don't you think I might like a little singing, a little dancing, a little...
Elliot.
But no, all I ever hear is, how long till we get to Timberline, Simple? How long till we
Elliot!
get home?
Aren't those the same beavers?
No, all beavers look alike.
Hey! Tiny Dancer! Let's see some moves!
Elliot! Elliot, this is the same dang damn. We've been going in circles.
Circle. One time around.
Oh, you don't even know where we're going.
Yo! Wow! Got him, Lorraine!
What was that?
Hunters, what are they doing up here?
Okay, boys, take cover.
Luke, we gotta hide.
I gotta get out of here.
Luke, wait!
Hey, hold good idea.
What happened? That's so...
Oh no!
You know, it's times like this that I realize
Get off. It's time to die! My vision and hunt never stay down. We're gonna make it! Huh? That's so Dinkelman?